choose and I don't have to. That's the thing.
Okay.
That's how I live my life. That's why I'm alone today.
There's no questioning the fact that I'm alone today. Way, way, way alone today. I don't think it's just my goddamn hairy back. I don't have to choose bacon, eggs, or you. I don't have to choose bacon, eggs, or you. Get the dog, I'm alone today, Kiowa. I'm alone today, Kiowa. Today. The dog won't even kiss me.
I don't have to choose, so I won't. So, well, options are open. Problem is, options aren't that great anymore.